To pair Bluetooth headphones with Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to grab your headphones and enter a pairing mode on that pair of headphones. So now, in a moment, I should be able to enter that pairing mode. And now after that, we need to open a Bluetooth settings on our device. You can do it either by swiping from the top right corner of the screen and holding on a Bluetooth icon, or just go through the main settings page. Now inside, look for your headset and click on it. Let's refresh the page. Sometimes this happens. And now they should connect. Yep, here we have it. We need to click on pair, and that way we have connected our headphones with this device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.